Introduce highlight features and fast overview of 2021 Topps Baseball Factory Sealed Complete Retail Box, 660 cards 5 rookie variations. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Collect all the top stars alongside the packed rookie class from the 2021 MLB season. Cards number 1 to 660 from 2021 Topps Baseball Series 1 and Series 2 can be found in the 2021 Topps Baseball Complete Set. The Retail Edition Complete Set also contains a bonus 5-card pack of rookie variation cards. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.